I am sad. I am tired. I am hungry. I am thirsty. I am cold. I am hot. I am busy. I am free. I am dirty. I am full. I am late. I am early. I am clean. I am lucky. I am okay. I am safe. I am good at English. I am bad at math. I am new here. I am old now. I am young. I am strong. I am proud of myself. I am weak today.